This is toy number 2, which is Winston from the McDonald's Happy Meal Karma's World. It comes in this nice yellow box, and of course everything is recyclable. Out of the box is this nice book. It's all activities. This is the back side, and then you could make a camera. It comes with this. The first activity is pretty much making this camera, and then this is Winston Torres. If you guys don't know what Karma's World is, it's just episodes on Netflix. If you guys want to watch it, all you need is Netflix, and it has like this nice activities where you could do like activities on them. A link with Winston, color with Winston, cool set of activities, and it comes with this pencil which you could also put in here, and then dot to dot. This is my favorite. I love connecting the dots. And then more activities here. You could make your own comic strip. Are you gonna ditch class? No. And then can you find these items? This one photo match. And then you could create your own song here. The answers are right here. Easy activities, they're okay. Oh, my favorite part, which is the stickers. And then design the stage. You could design the stage. Before we get to the camera, let's see what comes out of here. This is looks like a blue colored pencils. Karma's World. Pretty cool. The camera is pretty easy to make. You just take everything out of here, cut out all the holes except for this one. This one you put it together, and then you could let's watch this one. We put this here like this, connect that together like this, like that, then squeeze it in like that, and then you could close the camera up, put this like this in here. Okay, there. So now we could watch the photos taken. Oh, nice photos. Look at that. This is amazing. And then just to mention, there's a lot of photos. That's only one side, and then this was one side, and then this is the other side. Wow, a lot of photos. And then this one is like pretty cool. And then this one here, this is another set of photos. You can put it in and watch it. Nice piano over there. Great photos on this side. Nice. This was it. Cool toy.